Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this pretty I-cord. It's very easy and quick to do, even by absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that I have taken to make this I-cord are a 2.5 mm crochet hook and a 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's begin. First, make a slip knot. And work 2 chains. Now skip the first chain from the hook and insert your hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. You will be having 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now just twist the cord in this way so that the stitch is facing towards you. Now do not insert your hook inside the stitch but just go underneath. You can see a loop. So inserting your hook inside the loop, you will be having 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop. Again you will be having 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Again twist the cord in this way so that the stitch is facing towards you. Beneath you can see 2 loops. So inserting your hook inside the 2 loops. Now you will be having 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Again you will be having 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now this is a repeat sequence. You will be just twisting the cord in this way so that the stitch faces towards you. Insert your hook into the 2 loops beneath. You will be having 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. So you have to just repeat this for the required length of your cord. And every time you will be twisting the cord before inserting into the loops. For the initial stages it will be a little bit difficult, but as you work through it will become easier. So here I have worked few more rows of the cord with the pattern sequence which I mentioned earlier, and as you work more rows the design of the cord will become more prominent. Now one important thing is that while working with this cord you need to crochet a little bit loosely so that making of this cord will become more easier. Now in case if you want this cord to be more thicker, then you can go for a thicker yarn or you can go for a bigger size of hook depending upon for what project you are using this cord. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.